Hey guys, my name is Matt, I'm the creator of gpitch.com, and as you see, today is very windy. The north wind is coming from this direction and the waves are becoming bigger and bigger. So what you do in your business if the waves are coming, and it's kind of terrifying one day and it's a lot of issues, and what you do is go like this. You go down, and you hide. And here you see there's almost no wind. And same you can do in your business. You just hide, wait a little, maybe 1 day, 2 days, or the whole week. The world it's not gonna end because of your issues, so you just hide. You have to put your emotions, your stress down, so you work from the comfortable level, and then you just think about the next steps, what you're gonna do. You need to have strategy for everything. If the wind is blowing, just turn it down, maybe lock your business down for a few days, and something amazing will come up when you will think about it and make a new strategy. And that's it.